Hello, and look what I got today. Oh yeah, I got the 3DS. Now if I can open it with a, I don't know. Only GameStop would put something there, or Nintendo would get. Oh, here it is. I'm crazy. I forgot. Yeah. Dennis. Here we go. And if I can get it open. Okay, first of all, we have the power cord. Interesting stuff. Not. Oh, see? Interesting stuff. And now, oh god, this manual. By the manuals. And, I use my code before people take it. And now, for the big kahuna. There we go. There's the box. And here's my 3DS. See? Yoshi! And on the back, QA. So that's my unboxing video. I'm sorry I couldn't do a very good job, but this is my first unboxing. See? Go on, good look at it. Yay! In the back. Yay, guys! Now, I'm gonna just set it up, so I'll see you later. Ciao.